Why should you subscribe to Summit or Nothing? We're not your Ray Mears type, loads of experience.
Oh, fucking compass. I think we need to assume this is Bellstone.
You know what they say about assume?
It's the mother of all fuck-ups.
We are hapless explorers.
It's a good job it come back before we got fucking lost.
We're the type of explorers who get into a car park not having the right money to park all day. We've got to go back to the pound. We are the type of explorers who are likely to get lost immediately in a little bit of mist.
That just can't be right.
We're the type of people who make a video with a new microphone only to find out the following day that the microphone doesn't even work. So we've had our coffee, our celebratory drink, but premature. Every now and again the mist here fades. That's the summit, not where we are. We're the type of lads who filmed this entire monologue only to realise that I hadn't pressed the record button and have to film it again. I trevved it right up. You're not watching us because we know what we're doing.
Yeah, we're going east, west or whatever, east, south, east.
You need to subscribe to us because we don't know what we're doing.
Whatever, east, west.
We're not going to get lost at all.
We are hapless. We are useless.
That didn't give me much confidence.
Look,
I thought you knew what you was on about.
Look how clear it is.
Once again, making ourselves look like complete fucking idiots. But we're two mates, full of banter, having a good laugh.
You want to see my sack?
Your rancid man sack.
Look at the cock on him! And some great views. We are Summit or Nothing, and you need to like, comment, subscribe to see our hapless adventures. Why should you subscribe to Summit or Nothing? Well, we're on a journey to do the 3 peaks: Snowdon, Scafell Pike, Ben Nevis. Over 1 year of Summit or Nothing, and we are well on our way. So we are still in the queue. We're going up there. We're not Bear Grylls, we're not Ray Mears, but we're giving it a good bash.
I do wonder how on earth we're gonna f things up again. No, I think we've done it in fine style this time, didn't we? You know, we really set a new standard and f***ing it up.
Knocking off some tours on Dartmoor, ticking off some squares.
Look at this. All this let's make a chain.
I've not noticed that. We've been doing some wild camping.
Well, here's B.
2 men and a dog in a tent.
As I've got terrible gas.
It smells like a dog in here. I'm Trev, I'm the chirpy one, not right in the head.
I'm doing walking.
My mate's Nate, he's the sensible one, grumpy one. He doesn't like people.
Busy, you know.
Yeah, not a fan of people.
Don't like being woken up.
Give me 5 minutes, I'll be gone. You struggle to wake me up.
And of course his little boy Moby joins us on the track. We've got, don't eat that, you'll be sick. We still are fairly rough around the edges. Alright, occasionally we get lost.
Alright, that's just going to take us off the side of a f***ing great mountain. We're lost.
You're not lost.
Trev's navigating again.
Car. Oh, there's a fern forest over here. Do you want to navigate now? Warning. May contain strong language.
John?
And exaggerated Cornish accents.
Is that what we've been about? And these are?
It's always about the banter. North east. It's almost the centre. We're near 2 bridges and we're going that way. Come on. The fun. The views.
Englishman that went up a hill and come down a mountain meets in between us.
Join us. Subscribe, like, comment and share the out of us. Have you seen Blokeback Mountain?
No.
Good. Good. If you like walking, wild camping, mountains, the ocean, then this is the channel for you. With my friend Nate, we've travelled to some of the most exciting locations in the country. We set ourselves a challenge to hike up the 3 largest peaks of the UK. Snowdon,
I had the same idea as 50,000 other people today.
Scaffold Pike, our third mountain, and Ben Nevis. It's a zigzaggy, monotonous route, but it's ticking off one more. Now we've finally done that challenge, and in the meantime I've seen many other mountains: Tryfan, Penny Fan, the Old Man of Coniston, Cadair Idris. Whether it's wild camping in horrendous weather,
This is why you don't go camping when they put these extreme weather warnings out.
or hiking under a scorching sun, walking beside beautiful oceans, or reviewing the gear in our bags. Additional saving of 765 grams. Every Sunday night at 9 o'clock there's a brand new episode of Summit or Nothing where Nathan and I go out on a different adventure. We'd like you to come along with us. We'll show you some views. You can listen in on our banter and bickering. 1 minute 15 seconds for a yes or no answer. Do good. I'd never wear Crocs. I'm Trev. I'm the chief cameraman and editor. I like to walk as much as I can these days, but you probably won't find me taking too many risks.
See this fence? Stopped him dead in his track.
Just get back up here and jump in the snow, you big puff.
Nath, on the other hand, is always game for a laugh. Loves to leap into the unknown, although he might be a little bit too grumpy sometimes.
I'm surprised that letterboxing even took off if this was the first one.
I love hiking and I love wild camping. What I don't like is the weather.
So if you want to laugh, you want to be inspired, but you just want to tag along and take in the views, Summit or Nothing is the channel for you. So come and join us, hit that subscribe button, and stay tuned for the next adventure of Summit or Nothing. Morning. If If you're new to hiking or wild camping and you get confused and intimidated by YouTube's vast collection of self-professed G.I. Joes flouting their knowledge and promoting gear that you cannot afford, then you have come to the right channel.
Oh, Twinkle Toes, here he is!
Summit or Nothing is a channel for normal people interested in enjoying the outdoors, made by normal people with a love for all things wild. From hiking in the mountains to wild camping on Dartmoor, from navigating at sea level to bursting above the clouds. Never afraid to admit defeat or to make mistakes. Still not out of the woods. Got a bit wet.
Amazing that you filmed me, but could you give me a hand?
Trev and friends at Summit or Nothing bring a refreshing and enthusiastic look at the outdoors, with a balanced amount of humour. Melon doesn't weigh nothing.
Alright mate, I take it back.
Leave the melon out of it. Awe-inspiring scenery. It's no wonder that people love to binge watch their quality content. With weekly adventures every Sunday evening and additional content such as budget gear reviews or informative videos throughout the week, Summit or Nothing have been busy gaining subscribers and experience since they launched in 2016. Please check out our channel and join the fast-growing community by hitting the subscribe button and ringing that bell. Let us know in the comments below what you would like to see more of, and it would be especially appreciated if you could share this trailer across social media and help us to spread the word. Stay safe, enjoy the outdoors, and have fun.